How to upload Excel file to AGen and use it as search reference purpose. For search and display on AGen, Excel file will commonly be used as import file. End user ERP system, inventory system, human resource system, branches location listing commonly allows to export their data master file into Excel format. AGen will import this master file in order to be used for reference purposes. Before you want to import the reference searching Excel file, few important topics you need to know. First, the file name of the Excel file. Try creating the Excel file name in English alphanumeric only. This is to simplify the sorting after the importing of the file in AGen. Second, make sure the imported file format is consistent with no empty space on top of the row title. The first row of the data will be used as column name after imported to AGen. Third, make sure only one sheet of data will be imported into the AGen. Every import is only importing one sheet of with maximum record of 65,535 row. Fourth, make sure the searching field value is not duplicate by default. AGen will not check on importing data. Any duplication of record happens, AGen will only retrieve the first seen record when searching happens. Step to import the Excel file. Step 1, log into AGen server application. Step 2, click on Setting, then Excel Management. Step 3, click on the plus add button and browse your Excel file from your local PC. Step 4, select which sheet you would like to import to AGen software. After the Excel file imported successfully into AGen, you can use the Build and Record Editor to view or edit the exported records. If this is your repeat updated master list, you may refer to the application version. The application version will automatically increase after new Excel file replace the existing Excel file in AGen server. Now you need to make sure the mobile device application version is synchronized to the latest version.